Welcome to my channel. In this video, I'll show you step-by-step fixes to get your Linksys RE6300 extender back online and boosting your Wi-Fi. Let's dive in. 1. Plug in the extender. Plug your Linksys RE6300 into a power outlet near your router. Wait until the power LED turns solid green. 2. Connect to extender's network. On your PC or mobile, go to Wi-Fi settings. Connect to the extender's default SSID. Linksys Extender Setup, XXX. 3. Open Setup page. Launch a browser and enter extender.linksys.com. 4. Start Setup Wizard. Click Start Setup. Select, as a wireless range extender, option. 5. Select your router's Wi-Fi. Choose your main Wi-Fi network from the list. Enter your router's Wi-Fi password. 6. Set extended network details. You can keep the same SSID or create a new one, e.g., home Wi-Fi_ext. Confirm settings. 7. Relocate the extender. Once setup completes, unplug the extender. Move it halfway between your router and the weak signal area. Make sure the LED turns solid green, good connection. 8. Connect devices. Connect your mobile, PC to the new extended Wi-Fi network. Test the internet connection. And that's it. Your Linksys RE6300 Wi-Fi extender is now successfully set up and boosting your Wi-Fi signal. For instant help, call 1-800-915-5645.